Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one. It's made in South Korea for the US market. This is Wang GlobalNet, Wang Korea with our Malatang Udon. So I'm guessing it's an udon with a Szechuan pepper sauce. I'm unsure. What's kind of nice about these varieties, they do come with a coaster. See? A little coaster. Fancy! So yeah. This is a microwavable variety, ladies and gentlemen. Fit to engross the senses. I hope. We'll see what we got here. So 3 minutes at 1,000 watts on this sucker. Just got back from taking my pet dog, Pepper, out for a walk. She enjoys such things, running and darting about to no abandon, without abandonless. She's a nut. There's the point of entry. Yeah, she's like all frickin' over the place. We'll get there. She is a puppy. Oh. That's really the fill line? Oh, that kind of makes it hard to use the thing I was going to use. It says hot water and fill the fill line. Really? It's that high? These aren't usually that high. Yeah, it's up there. We've got some veg. And we've got a liquid sachet. Man, I'm putting the paper plate down in the microwave. I don't want it to explode all over the place. Not a good way to have the first review since entering the year of the rabbit. Water rabbit, that is. I'm a rabbit. I am. I was born in 1975. A good year. A good year. At least for me, I was born. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's see if that's enough. And it's exactly enough. Rad. So I'm gonna, it says, put the lid on loosely. I want to check again on this cook time. 3 minutes at 1,000 watts. Okay. Let's get her going. Let's get her done. Let's do it to it. I was going to use my new plate bowl thing, but that's just not in the cards on this one. It's too much. There's too much going on here. Yeah, that's definitely Szechuan pepper I'm tasting. Let's see. There we are. Well, I gotta pick a new plate, and I just redid all my plates and bowls, so that's fine. God, I don't know. That's a pain in the butt, actually, because I really was looking forward to using that one, but I'm gonna use this one. I haven't used this in a long time. I got 2 new bowls during Lunar New Year. Pepper, go lay down. Go lay down. Good girl. Go lay down. See, we've got one with a fine carp. Yeah. You'll see the other ones soon. How you doing? You all right? Come here, you. You've got to be tired. I ran her all over the place, didn't I? Yeah. Up, up. Up, 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 up. There she is. There's my doggy dog. There's my baby doggy. Go lay down. Go lay down. Papa's working. No, go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Pepper. Go lay down. I mean, you can sit right there, but there's hot stuff moving around. I gotta move hot bowls over there. Go lay down. Go find your bully stick. Where's your bully stick? One moment while I corral the dog. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Go lay down, Panther. Go lay down. Yeah. Lay down. Good girl. Lay down. There. Hang out. Sleep. Yeah, she's a puppy, folks. We're still trying to... We did get a choke chain for her, but I don't know. I don't want to, like, hurt her. I don't know the exact way to use one of those things, so I think once my wife gets home from work, we'll go out. She knows all the dog junk. She really does. She's done a lot of things involving dogs. Including she was the manager for a couple of these pet food stores down in Northern California. Fancy schmancy. So, she knows dogs. Yeah. Whew, but it was a good workout. But it's sunny, and it's winter, and it's that freaking bright, bright sun. On Saturday, oh, I got a thing. I could go get it. Maybe I'll get it for the next one. I got a radio, and we've got this. You probably got one in your neck of the woods, a Buy Nothing group. So basically, it's like, God, I got all this crap. I don't really want it anymore. I wish I could just get rid of it. Well, guess what? There's probably going to be somebody who will take it off your hands and be happy about that. I was the happy recipient of this crazy radio that you can throw off of buildings. I thought that was interesting. Wow, I just took that tiny little taste of that soup base, and man, my tongue is still burning. That's pretty good. It's an odd, I gotta say, it's an odd flavor for a Korean variety. Most certainly. I don't usually see Szechuan pepper. It's Szechuan and other pepper, that's for sure. Because Szechuan pepper's got that ting, but this has a ting and a thong. I don't know. Okay. Gonna stir it a little bit and loosen up these noodles. The thing about udon that comes in a pouch like that, you could just eat it like that if you really didn't care for yourself. You could. I don't recommend it. If you're gonna have this stuff, it's better to cook it. But really, it's already cooked, so all you gotta do is put it in like hot water and let it sit and let it loosen up, and then you're done. You've got your noodle and soup in this case. Oh damn, and it is definitely hot. Yeah, I put this thing on 70%. I figure 70% of 1,250 watts is close enough to 1,000. Because when I've done 80%, which would be more likely, 10% of 1250 would be 125. 20% would be 250, which would bring it down to 1,000 watts. But I bring it down one notch more because I think this thing it cooks hotter than it thinks it does. I don't know. But it works. It heats things up. Anyways, now we've got our... It says this is spicy oil, but I don't think this is the spicy oil. I think this is just oil. Here we are. Our oil. It's oily. Yeah. Crazy business this weekend. They had a big Lunar New Year thing going down in the, what do they call it? down in California, down in the LA area, I believe. And some guy went in there and brought a gun and took out a bunch of people. It's a shame. Wasn't a hate crime kind of thing. Well, it sounds like maybe it was, except for he just hated his wife. No surprise there with the udon. This broth, though, good God. Look at that. That's pretty wicked. Leaning heavily on Szechuan peppercorn. I saw it mentioning something on the packaging about pepper oil. Maybe that was in the initial sachet. I don't know, but wow. That's a burner. But yeah, the amount of liquid here, that would not work with the koi bowl plate tang. So we will see what we can do with this, and I'm kind of worried. Why are you worried, Ramen Raider? Well, I'll tell you, children. It's because I'm gonna have to take this bowl from over here to over there, and I'm not worried about that. Are you tipsy? No, I'm not tipsy, but I like to have the side of the bowl look nice and clean, and this is oily crap, so that's not gonna happen. Most certainly not gonna happen. Have to go get more mung bean sprouts too. Always, as you know, if you follow the show, I'm always having to get freaking mung bean sprouts. What I want, if you're a scientist, a botanical scientist, hopefully, or agricultural scientist, maybe you can help me out. Maybe you can design an extremely hardy mung bean sprout that will that'll like last longer. That would be really kind. It really would. You would get my full appreciation of that. A little crushed red pepper. I did get some. We'll do that. Which one looks nicer? The nicer one for the latter one. Or this one. Just a little slice of chashka. And I think instead of torching it, let's run a little sauce on it. Quickly run the sauce program. There we go. I think that looks like what I'm looking for right there. So enjoy. Watch it go. Well, next, when I started reviewing, I've done a ton of reviews. This should be review number 4,528, I believe. This will be 4,529. This is Nissan Deme Ramen seafood flavor. The last time I reviewed this, it was review number 78. back 15 days after my wife and I got married in July of 2010. So there are some changes to the packaging. It's been a while, so I'm pretty stoked. Should be interesting to see what I think about it, because it's been a long time and my mouth is a little different. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good time and enjoy. Bye.